Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use an eBay coupon code at checkout so you can save money on your next purchase. Whether you've got a discount from a seller or eBay itself, using a coupon is super simple. Now let's dive into these steps together. The first step is to add items to your cart. Now before you do that, you have to go to ebay.com and visit the website. And make sure you log in using your account credential, and if not, just click on the register. It's usually on the top left corner, and enter your account using your Google account or enter your account's information. Now after you do that, you're gonna have to go to a section right here and browse for an item. For example, we're gonna choose an item here from the shoe section. Click on it and click add to cart, so you can add the item to your cart. Now make sure you enter your address, etc., shipping address information. And for the second step is to go to checkout. Now when you're ready, click the cart icon and then click on checkout, or just click on go to checkout after you you add the product to your cart. Now here, scroll all the way down to the gift card and coupon section. Here you're gonna enter your coupon code exactly as it appears. It's usually 16 digits. And click on apply. Once you enter the code, this apply option will be available. Click on it. Now for the fourth step is to check discount applied. The discount will show immediately in the order summary. As you can see it here, it will be discounted. You'll see the discount as the price will go lower. Now if the code is invalid or expired, eBay will notify you on the spot. And for the fifth and final step, complete your purchase. Once the coupon is applied, finish your payments and place the order. And that's it. You've successfully saved money using your eBay coupon code. Always check the expiration dates and eligible items on the coupon. And some coupons work only for specific sellers or categories. Also, eBay often sends coupons to your email or account message, so make sure you don't miss them. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.